Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to withdraw money from Freecash. On Freecash, you have multiple options for withdrawal and we'll be showing you exactly that. In order to do this, you just simply need to go over to the top where you'll see Cash Out. You want to click on Cash Out and let's say you've been able to fulfill some tasks and you have some funds with you. You can see My Withdrawals, which will show you details of your withdrawals previously, but of course you have the main options. You have the most popular options and you have crypto options. So what do you prefer? You just simply need to choose it. Starting with PayPal, if you choose to use PayPal, you can click on PayPal and there are different tiles right here. So what are they? This is a $5 PayPal withdrawal option, the $10 withdrawal option, $20 down up to $200. So depending on what you want to withdraw, you can choose the option. For example, if you have about $10, you can choose a $10 option, click on it. And once you click on it, you've selected it. Then once you've selected it, you can see the PayPal account. You want to make sure that it corresponds with the PayPal account. And right here it says your reward will be sent to this address. Make sure this email is linked to your PayPal account. So you want to make sure of that. Now, why is this important? Now, if the email you use in creating your Freecash account is different from your PayPal account, you'll need to change it. You can change that by clicking on Edit to make some changes. So once that is done, you'll be seeing some details about your withdrawal fee, the PayPal consumer fee, and the final amount. You can see how it's gone from $10 down to $8.5. And then of course you want to click on the checkbox, I understand my order is non-refundable. Click withdraw and the process will begin and complete. So that's for PayPal and you can repeat the process for other options such as Visa. Then of course if you want to use the crypto option, you could go ahead and click on one of them. We're going to click on Bitcoin for example, and you can see right here, Bitcoin address or stake username. So if you have your Bitcoin in stake, you can use this option. And of course, if you use this option, you'll be getting 15% bonus. And that definitely will be taking care of your crypto fee right here. So let's say you have your Bitcoin address and this is what you want to use. You could put in your Bitcoin address, put in the amount. You see the details on the Bitcoin exchange rate, the crypto fee, withdrawal fee, and the amount. So if you'd like to put about 50, you see some details right there. The withdrawal fee is $3.50. The crypto fee is 26 cents, and this is the amount of Bitcoin which you'll be receiving, right? So after you've done that, you can go ahead and click on withdraw, and your account will be successfully funded in a few moments. At the top right here, it says crypto withdrawals take a few minutes to be sent. The minimum withdrawal for the first withdrawal is $20. No minimum amounts for further withdrawals. So of course, you want to make sure you have about $20 or $25, and then you could use the crypto option. So these are the options to try out if you'd like to withdraw money from Freecash. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.